1083, we're going to be making a eastbound turn on Parthenia from Toyota.
Go, you're good.
1083, eastbound turn on Parthenia from DeSoto.
1083, make a damage back over to the 600 vehicle, Parthenia, east of DeSoto.
Go, let him go, let him go, let Todd go. Let Todd go.
1083 is request. Correction, any unit in the vicinity, 1083 is requesting a backup area unit supervisor. Parthenia,
Put out, somebody stay with the...
1083, the passenger jumped out of the vehicle. Have someone stand by with the passenger. In pursuit of the suspect vehicle, eastbound Parthenia, approaching Winnetka. You answer?
Not yet.
all units on all frequencies stand by 1083 is in pursuit of a white Mercedes vehicle, eastbound Parthenia, approaching Winnetka. Requesting a backup area unit supervisor.
Southbound Mason.
1083, we're going to be southbound Mason from Chase. Have a unit stand by with the passenger.
1083 repeat.
1083, disregard. We're still going to be southbound Mason, going to be approaching Roscoe.
1083, southbound Mason, approaching Roscoe.
Next day it's going to take over
Okay,
the broadcast.
sounds good, no worries.
1083, southbound Mason through Roscoe.
ETA for airship, approaches Saticoy from Mason. Whoa!
Air 10, your ETA.
We're about to go to down.
1083, hold the area, PCTC, Saticoy, and Mason. Let me get an RA rolling.
Deploy for Mason.
And Sherman Way.
Check on the passengers here.
There's
3 vehicles involved.
Get there, get there. Go, 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 go. Go through. Go through.
One 83 Reverend Murray.
Hey, he's going to run. Don't fucking move.
fucking hands!
Don't move.
Let me see your hands! Right now! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your hands!
Don't fucking move.
How many people?
I think there's one. Only one. Check on them. Make sure they're okay. Keep.
Let me see, I got him. All right. Hey, put your butt forward. Come out, let me see your hands. Keep your hands up. Come on. Scoot out. You got him?
I got his belt. Bring him out.
Turn around. Turn around.
On your ground.
You got his arm?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Roger on RA. PCC notifying RA.
Have 21. I'm going to probably need quite the finger to make sure you help with traffic control.
I don't know if it was,
I'm out in the street.
Okay. Can't get out?
1021 requesting Topanga or Devonshire units to help with traffic control. Sherman Way and Saticoy.
14.
Hey,
officer's okay?
2142 repeat.
Tesla right behind me.
overhead.
Right behind me.
310 overhead, Sherman Way and Saticoy.
Right behind me.
The Corolla, the gas is on next page.